Wonderful morning over here. Hold on, let me just make sure the audio is coming in good. I think it is. All right, team. So, welcome back. I hope everybody had an amazing holiday. As you can see, we're back in heaven over here. We are back in our normal setup. Feels good. It was a really shitty travel day yesterday. I was supposed to leave out of Miami at like 3:30, and then the flight got delayed until like 6:40. And the one thought that I had the entire time is I need to stop sucking so bad at life so that I can just get a private jet and zip out of there whenever the fuck I want. So that's going to be the goal from now on. Have the ability to avoid airports at all costs. Every single time I go into an airport, there's some fucking problem. So we're going to try to figure it out for the future. But again, guys, let's get back to work over here. It is the last trading week of the year. So if you finished really strong or you've had a very strong year this far, I would say probably relax a little bit. Take a little bit of a breather, pat yourself on the back. Kind of formulate a game plan of what you guys want to do going forward and then execute maybe coming into the next year or size down to take a lot less risk going into these next week or this next week or two. But other than that, guys, since this is a public live stream, we are going to be going public most of the week this week. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the way in. It helps out a whole lot with the algorithms over here. You guys have seen all the short form videos on TikTok and Instagram. Gabe started posting on, I think, Twitter and something else the other day. So be on the lookout for those. We're going to be having fun. And for all of you new guys in here that are just filtering in and may not have any idea what we're doing over here, we've changed the game for retail investors with all of our algorithms, our unusual options activity, our alerts, our learning curriculum, our strategy videos. If you guys are interested in hopping into our brand spanking new platform for free for 2 weeks, make sure you guys check that out. The link is at the top of the live chat over here. But as we're looking at the market this morning, it's selling off a little bit. You're going to watch that 382.50 to the downside here. Apple, honestly, you're watching 52-week lows at, what is it, 128.65? You do have Friday's lows here at 129.64, which I think is going to be an interesting spot. You have this little consolidation zone here that you're kind of hanging out in. And if you sell off through a lot of that, it's not going to be good for the market. So looking at this here, again, very similar to how we were trading last week. It's going to be a wait and see situation where we're going to say, okay, which way does the market actually want to go? What's Invictus going to tell us? Can we catch some reversals? If we're going to trade before 10, you guys have that trading before 10 video to make sure that you guys are sizing appropriately and managing your trades properly as well. But other than that, let's get after it, guys. Again, make sure you guys hit that like button on the way in. How you guys doing over here? Oh, you guys aren't really slacking that much. Hello. Can't you just take your dad kitty's jet? That's funny. No sunlight still? There's sunlight right here, bro. Glad you're able to get a flight. Dude, I know. Let's see. Pepe, that was funny, buddy. Hit the like button. Freeloaders, buenos dias. Diana, how you doing? Just get a private jet sponsorship. That'd be great, but I don't think any private jet company wants to sponsor me. So is what it is, bro. Is what it is. Good morning, SV. Good morning, Rose. How you guys doing? 9 likes away from 50 already. Oh my God. It's the last week of the year. You guys are giving me a late Christmas present, I guess. I love you guys. All right. This should not be Tesla. This should be the dollar over here. How is the dollar doing in the pre-market? It's popping up a little. You're hanging around that 13 on the 5. How's the oh my Lord. Hello, 10-year. So TLT dropping. Dude. Where is TLT right now? Is it back down below 100? Oh, it's teetering. Come on, TLT. Go to the levels that I want you at. TLT is an interesting one, man. I don't know. Again, I know you guys did it anyway, even though I said there's no signs of the TLT play happening yet. And you're able to ride that. What was it? I made that video and TLT was in the low 90s. It went to like, what, 114 or something? What's this? 109. Okay. I mean, we made that video down in here and it just... So it's not time in my mind to go like sort of big on the TLT trade. I'll let you guys know when it could potentially happen, but it's not now. Like you need Powell to come out and tell us everything we need to know, and he has not done that. What's the problem? Loading content or tool? Come on. I know. There you go. Oh, that's interesting. So this 25 basis point rate hike projection for February came down. This was in the 70s, I believe. It's now 61.8. And the probability of a 50 basis point rate hike is coming a little bit higher here. So 38.2. So people are expecting a little bit of a higher chance for Powell to raise rates a little bit more. So the SPY is actually green in the pre-market here, which is interesting. You're up 25 cents. Apple's down 0.5%. Oh, that's TLT. Sorry. Look, where's Tessie? Whoa, Tesla. Holy shit. It's at 116 in the pre-market, down 5.4%. Adios, Tesla. Woo, Jesus. Spy dump was epic. Yeah, dude, look at this fucking thing. Look at this fucking thing. What's up, Gabe? How you doing, buddy? The only good thing about coming back to work today is that I can trade again. Woohoo! Lori! There you go. Jesus, I feel like I'm being loud. I was trying to be quiet when I was in the hotel room last week because I didn't want to get yelled at, even though I should have yelled at them for a lot of things, but it's fine. I had no Wi-Fi, no hot water. It was really strange that they didn't figure that out, but it is what it is. Now we're back. Jessica? No. Tesla doesn't want to be a company anymore. Dude, Tesla is getting fucking blasted. Oh my Lord, dude. That's just horrendous, bro. All right, 4 likes away from 50. I appreciate that, team. Keep running that up, buddy. Keep running that up, team. I love it. What levels you got on SPY? 382.50. That's what I'm watching to the downside. Coffee. I can't tell if I like the hotel coffee or my coffee more. I think I like my coffee more, but the other coffee was hot and I put sugar in it, so it's different, you know? Vito, how you guys doing? Also, little announcement for all our members. Remember, be very careful how close you guys are cutting it for transferring over from Discord to platform. You guys won't be able to get the deal for very long if you don't transfer over quickly. And again, the 50% off lifetime deal is still active for all of our existing members right now. So if you guys are interested in that, and it's something that you wanted to take advantage of, that is live. Just scroll back in the announcement section of the community. And there is a code that you guys can use to get 50% off your lifetime. But let's see here. You're sweet enough. Oh, thanks. I saw that Ocean City, Maryland is a dangerous city during the summer. 1 in 10 people get robbed. I was there in the summer. I didn't get robbed. My friends didn't get robbed. So we must just be different, bro. Okay. $100 Tesla, bring it. They might, dude. It's $16 away. That's crazy. Yeah, I didn't get robbed when I was there, but it's all right, man. It's okay. I didn't get robbed. It's cool. It's cool. All right, let's see. I like being back at the normal setup. It feels good. I came home, set this up at 11 last night, and then just went to bed. I hate airports, dude. I just hate traveling. Do you think Tessie was overvalued, or is it a super sale? I mean, technically, if you look at the fundamentals, I believe it's still technically overvalued, which is crazy based on typical valuation metrics, but you got to wait and see, because this nonsense could just be all the big money coming in and just saying, fuck you, Elon. We don't want you exposing our shit. Who knows? That's the conspiracy theory that's been floating around, which I honestly don't think is that crazy. Again, with what Elon's doing with Twitter, I think if he steps down at Twitter, Tesla starts to crank again. I think Tesla can be all right. But remember what we talked about with Tesla and the capital allocation problem in the S curve. So again, we went over this on actually one of the call-ins. Personally, I think Tesla's getting towards the top, the upper end of its S curve for now in terms of growth rates. And that's kind of how I'm looking at Tesla's S curve, not necessarily in terms of adoption, but in terms of the rate of growth of the growth rate, if that makes sense. So the growth rate of Tesla is increasing, and then the growth rate can flatten out where you have a constant growth rate on Tesla. Is that what you want? Especially if you're a young person like me? I don't know. So we'll see. Why are options so pricey on Tesla? The underlying doesn't seem to support it. Implied volatility. Do you mean 50% off the 1348 price? No, Tyler, for 50% off the existing price. So you guys all have access to the 1348 price. I gotta move this over. Mr. Beast is gonna get Twitter. I saw that, but I don't think that's gonna happen. All right, guys. So we've got about 36 minutes left until open. You guys are killing the like button over here. I love it. I love to see you guys showing up in the morning. Let's see here, though. I mean, we're watching. I mean, if SPY cracks this 382.50, you could be selling again. You got that 380 if it ends up closing down below there. And the weird thing about this, SPY's still green. Not by much, but it is still in the green here. And Apple's down. Tessie's getting killed. Where's Nancy over here? Nancy's down a little bit. So everything is kind of leading the market down. The stock market hasn't necessarily it hasn't followed everything else yet. Like with Apple being down half, Tesla 5.5, Nancy coming down. Like there's a lot of big names that are selling. Like where's Google? Like a couple of these other ones. How are these reacting in the pre-market? Google in the red here by not too much, but it is in the red. Can Elon legally not sell, or is that what do you mean? Like Tesla stocks? Like his shares? Let's see. What are we going to get this morning, team? What are we going to get? All right, let's check Twitter really quickly. It's probably just a cesspool of bullshit as usual, but let's see. Oops, I did not mean to do that. No, I don't see much. I'm trying to look and see if there's any news coming out, which there isn't. Walter must be taking a break, man. Walter and Fast Stock, I don't see anything. 20 hours ago, Apple Japan hit with 98 million in back taxes for missing duty-free abuses. That's it. That's all I got. Good morning, STV. See Rich. What's up, man? How you doing? And MLiv, why? What purpose? Are you looking to trade it this morning? Or are you looking for me to confirm some sort of bias that you have? Let's see. Morning, STV and the team. I'm visiting my family up north, so I'm stuck on using one monitor like a homeless person. Jesus. Guys, the only reason why I have two monitors is because I would be using one monitor. Yeah, Tabasco Dave. They just don't get it. They don't understand right now. There's an arbitrage opportunity on it right now, which people don't understand what happens after the arbitrage is done. Down. Yeah, you're looking to go long April calls. Okay, MLiv, I'm not even going to look at the chart yet. And this is going to be a good indication. Why are you looking at April calls? What on the chart is telling you to get contracts that far out? Because getting that much time in your contracts, I like that. It just depends on what you're looking for. What are you specifically looking at on the chart? Then I will give you my interpretation of how it looks. So I want this to be a learning exercise for everybody. Like I'm not going to just come in here and be like, yo, like you need to have a specific reason. And this is what trading's all about, guys. And I want you guys to hear this and implement it. And I know some of you guys aren't, because on the call on what was it, Friday, we still had people saying that they were trading 0 days, which makes no sense. But please listen to this. When you are trading and you are going into the market, you need to be looking for the same exact setups every single time. Doesn't matter what stock it is. Doesn't matter. It does not matter. Look for the same exact thing. And this is how I want you to look at it. How in the fuck do you expect to have consistent results if you do not have a consistent process going into the market or any given trade? I'll give you the answer. You won't. Because you're just basically, even if you're looking at like different it's just, you have to focus down on one thing that you know works, you know your edge, your system, your risk, and you execute every single time, and it's boring as shit. That's what makes a good trader. Gabe, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. There you go. For one AMC share and some bubble gum. I'm probably going to use it for other things, Gabe. Just saying. I'll probably be using that for other things. Where is what's his name? And I'm trying to look at what do you call it? And demand level and technical ways, because GameStop was overselling. Hopefully we can pump back and break the trend. Okay. So you said a key word there that I don't like. Hope. Hopefully. Hope. That's the worst way to trade. There is no hope. So looking at this chart right here on the daily, the GME chart, you know what it looks like? Horrible. I mean, you are at a key level of support, but you have no confirmation that this thing wants to go higher. could again, you're almost discounting the fact that it could easily slip here and die. So if your risk is if your risk is these lows, like 1938, like a break of this double bottom, fair. But at the same time, even if you look at like the indicators on the daily here, it's not even showing signs of a reversal yet. Like if you were trying to catch the reversal, how we teach the reversal strategy, it's getting there maybe with this RSI. It's got to get above its moving average. This MACD is slowly losing that bearish momentum, but you're not there yet. You're front running it. And even these reversal strategies are front running it sometimes. It gives you a really good risk reward and keeps it tight, but it's not there yet. Again, you see this cross down and it really did nothing but sell wick over this 200 and just continue lower. I think there's better places to trade in the market right now than that. Me personally, but again, it's your money. Want to hope and say, I hope it gets here and I hope it goes there. It's do whatever you want. But if you want to like really, really, really focus in on your trading and go with a repeatable process, you guys know exactly where to find it. All right, guys, keep hitting that like button on the way in. You guys are absolutely killing it, dude. Bad traders are hopeful when they should be fearful. If you guys saw Gabe's video on Twitter yesterday, focus on not losing money, and the opposite will be true. The professional traders do not think about how much they can make. They think about what is my risk, and am I comfortable with that risk? They think about how much they can lose on a given trade, and is that palatable? Are they okay with that, taking that risk on that trade? That's all it is. It's a game of risk reward. Best loser wins. Exactly. And this is a concept that we've been talking about a shitload on these streams, guys, is that you have to become like a really, really, really good loser in the market. Now, how can we do that? Well, I gave you guys probably the best video on risk management that exists out there on the internet right now. It's up to you to go watch it if you want to. I'm going to use it. All the people that have watched it are going to go make money with it. Perfectly fine. We're going to continue to have success. But the thing is that you have to know exactly where your risk is and be able to mitigate your risk almost better than you would otherwise. So you have to view like your trading in terms of going down two paths. So let's say you take the same trade here and you have two paths to go down. Both paths are going to end in a stop out. It's just where are you going to take that loss? Now, in that video, we showed where to put your risk and exactly why. That first NVIDIA trade on the replay where you crack the back above that 200 EMA, you're out of that trade, but then it continues to run. If you stayed in that trade, you would have hit your 10 to 15% loss when you could have taken it at 3 to 5. Now, let's say those two trades there then go off onto like another fork where you have one version of it where you take that 3 to 5, or let's say it's 3% loss on that first trade and the other one is down 10, then you both hit a 10% good base hit. The other person's account is up 0.7, the other person's account is even, and it all comes down to how well you were able to manage your risk. That's what it's all about. It's not this hoping bullshit that people are throwing at you guys. Set your alarm for 9:55. That's when you can open your brokerage account. Tabasco Dave. Nice, buddy. There you go. That's probably what I'm going to do. I mean, I might start getting a little bit more time on these contracts too. Might as well. Is there a new risk management video? It's in the latest content section of the Discord. I've put I call that series of videos that I've made in December for you guys, the holy trinity of taking it to the next level. So those 3 videos in there, it's the stop loss. Well, the stop loss strategy was before, but the stop loss strategy, the reversal strategy, and the risk management one are all in there. And I highly recommend you guys watch that. Another great video yesterday. Sometimes we have to keep reminding ourselves of the fundamentals. Yeah, I think, Gabe did that for you guys yesterday. That was a really, really good stream. Again, keep it simple. You do not have to overcomplicate things. If you overcomplicate things, it leads you to like have a non-repeatable process because you can't repeat the same thing if you have 8 billion things that you're trying to do in the market. Morning SV, you think the Santa Claus rally is a dud? It doesn't matter. The Santa Claus rally is over. It's already, Christmas is past. There is no Santa Claus rally. Anybody that's saying Santa Claus rally at this point, I mean, shut the fuck up. Like, what are you doing? Like, who? Kramer was saying it, I guess. It's like, delayed Santa Claus rally. It's like, what are we going to change the definition of a Santa Claus rally now, too? Shut the fuck up. No, get out of here. You changing the date of Christmas? Get out of here, assholes. Christmas was what? Sunday. It's Tuesday. It's over. There was no Santa rally. Santa printed the puts. Gave the stock market coal, and we all made money on it. So hot. Now I try to mentally think of it as a win, even taking a 5 to 10% loss if it's following the strategy and performing risk management. See, Rich, that is fucking brilliant. I love that, bro. That is awesome, man. That's exactly what you want. Christmas is now in July. Okay. You can't be. We're not going to get into that conversation. The Christmas and the July thing, the birth of We're not getting into that. We can't be doing that nonsense, team. But again, for all you guys in here right now that do want access to our platform, all of our curriculum videos, the live streams, the unusual options data, the proprietary trading algorithms that we offer you guys, the link is in the top of the live chat there. That's how you're going to get your 2-week free trial. You guys just sign up through there. You won't get charged for 2 weeks. But here's that link right there. I'll throw that in there for you guys. SV Spitting Facts this morning. It's a great start to the week. Kevin, appreciate that, buddy. Let's see here. All right, guys. Oh, my God. We're almost at 100 likes already. Fucking, oh, my Lord. It's good to be back. Here we go. I spent my Christmas night eating a cold buffalo chicken wrap with your friends in the parking lot of a Wawa. Those are some of the best times ever, bro. Like, just being in high school, just, like, fucking around at night at, like, just parking lots. Depends on what you're doing in the parking lots. Tyler, we've been over this about what you should be doing in parking lots with your mom's car. But, you know, it is what it is, buddy. Hopefully gave your girlfriend a nice Christmas present. All right, sorry. Easter Bunny rally? Get out of here. Yeah, make sure you guys are following me on Instagram too. It's ShortTheVix1. We have literally I have 13 videos that I have to record for you guys this week. And I already have like 5 more coming just from what I've already recorded. So get ready for those. Those are fun. You're getting the fun ones this week again. And we're ramping them up a little bit. So yesterday on my TikTok, I posted one that I didn't think was like the best one ever, but like I did pretty well. So I guess I don't know what you guys like. We're going to figure that out, but we're going to keep going, man. Yeah, no, that was a fun night though. In for 9 months. There you go. What did Tabasco say? A pearl necklace is always a great gift. Is that supposed to be a joke that I don't understand? I don't get New Year's rally. What? God, can we just read the damn chart? Can we just please read the chart? Too young and innocent. Me? All right, fair enough. Fair enough, bro. Is it supposed to be like an oyster or a clam joke? Is that what it's supposed to be? Oh, I have a really funny thing that I almost did over last week, and I feel like you guys will like this. I was getting my hair cut, and if you notice, my hair is going the other way now. It's apparently, I didn't know this. Nobody's told me this my entire life, but my hair goes this way, not that way. So the lady that was cutting my hair is like a super professional, I guess. And she was like, bro, like, what are you doing? And I was like, I don't know. I just YOLO it, man. And she was like, you're doing it completely wrong. But here's the problem. Here's the problem. Good. No, I fucked my hair up today. I'm trying new things, but here's the joke. She told me that I was doing my hair wrong. This lady happened to have a lot of plastic surgery. And it took every ounce of my being to not be like, well, your face is wrong. So I didn't say that because you don't say those types of things to anybody that's holding razors close to your head and neck. Calling it the wrong way. How am I supposed to know, bro? I got lots of weird shit going on with my hair. Roaster? Yeah, I mean, you missed the conspiracy haircut lady? She didn't tell me. She had no idea what the fuck was going on with anything. She was just focusing on her conspiracy theories, dude. Say it after she's done giving a haircut. Yeah, but the roast wouldn't have been as funny though. Just like imagine randomly, I'm just sitting there, I'm just like, your face is wrong. It's like it's not funny. You dropped that on your way out the door? I can't, dude. That would have been too much. He was really nice and gave a really good haircut and gave me some cool tips. So it was just me being an asshole in my mind. And I was like, I can't, like, this would be so bad. Like, I can't be saying that. And it wasn't done poorly either. Like, okay, we're done. All right, guys, keep hitting that like button on the way in. We got 20 minutes to go, and you guys are 2 likes away from 100 already. Thank you, team. I appreciate that. We got Spy rejecting off that 200 here. Slowly making its way down to 392.50. Morning, SB. Hope you had a great Christmas. Dude, it was nice. It was nice. Here's the fucked up thing, though. I was inside all week last week with you guys, and it just happened to be that was the only time that it was nice and warm out in Florida. So I had like 15 minutes every single day to go sit out in the sun before it got cold and shitty. And then on the weekend, I was just like, oh, I'll just be able to go sit out then. Nope. It was like 40 degrees and rainy. That's not going to work out very well. So I kind of just went to Florida to work. So it is what it is. We had fun. We had fun on the streams. I met some pretty cool people, though. Not going to lie, met some cool people. What's up, team? Let's get this money. Stockbanger, let's do it, buddy. And again, dude, thank you for those supers last week. I appreciate that. The sacrifices STV makes for us. I'm not going to take a week off, bro. Fuck is that going to do for anybody? That's just nonsense. I risked breaking my entire setup for you guys. All of it. Every single time I travel, I just bring it all. It's in luggage, dude. It's just like, YOLO. Hopefully it doesn't break. But everything's fine. Camera's good. Both the TVs are good. Or the monitor, the TV's good. It's been negative 27 there. Yeah, it sucks. I know. I understand it. It sucks across the board. But I don't think I've ever been in Florida when it's that cold. It's weird, dude. Global warming is interesting. Full board on streaming gear. Yeah, like if I'm gonna go down to that spot enough, like over the next year, I'm just gonna buy I'm just gonna buy doubles of everything that I have and just leave it down there, which isn't that expensive, and it's probably worth it if I'm gonna be down there like once every other month. I should post my setup in the Discord. That probably wouldn't help anybody. I have a LG monitor and a MacBook or a Mac desktop, and then a Sony A7S that Gabe gave me, and a Yeti Blue microphone. That's all I got. All right, team. You guys are killing the like button. Jesus, guys. Thank you. I appreciate that. All right, Nancy's slipping a little here. We got what? 17 minutes until open. Yeah, we'll have fun today. I'm probably going to be waiting until 10 like we usually do. I'm trying to, I honestly take a lot of trades before 10, but I like waiting, man, and just getting the nice, good risk reward setup. It gets that cold leaks once a year in Florida. It's even snowed in South Florida. That's crazy, bro. External hard drives for backups, SSD and HD redundancies. Yeah, I don't think I like store that much stuff though. Like I do, but like I don't need it. It's just like, Happy birthday, Vix. Jack said, I appreciate that. It's not my birthday, but thank you. You guys all know when my birthday is. It's in the end of May. I'll be 24, dude. Almost time to check me into the home. I'm gonna be so old. 24 years old. Jesus. Morning, gang. How you doing, man? Let's see. I can't wait to see how much 1348 gang wins again today. It's like you guys continue to one-up yourselves every single week, and it's just ridiculous to see. It's awesome, man. And if you guys do want to hop in there with us, remember you guys still all have access to that 2-week free trial. It's up in the top of the live chat over there, but I just threw it in the live chat again for those of you that are interesting. And again, I did approve some more of you affiliates this morning as well. So that's live as well for those of you guys that want to take advantage of that. Looking at the charts and looking out the window at my kids nailing each other in the face with snowballs. That's awesome. Stockbanger. Holy shit, dude. Thank you so much for all these supers, my man. Happy birthday. Stockbanger, it's not my birthday. It's not my birthday, but I appreciate it, man. Thank you. My birthday is May 27th. Just joined today. Looking forward to learning and printing. Nate, let's get after it, buddy. Doesn't even hit a quarter of a century and still says he's old when I'm a decade older than SCV. Yeah, dude, I'm telling you, we got a lot of boomers in here. A lot of boomers in here. Hello. You got a few clubs older than me. Dude, scratch golf. I played pretty freaking well, man. For like never playing golf. I only played once though. How do you split the screen with multiple charts? What do you mean? Like how I do it? This is just like dual screens. So like I have all my charts over here and then you guys are over here. This second screen is literally just so I can view the live chat. So I don't technically need this. Like I could just use like a phone or an iPad and look at it. Sorry, I'm late. Tesla resistance down here. I mean, dude, you'd have to go back to like what 2019. You look at this thing on the weekly. It's not looking good, dude. I mean, you've got 107. This 13 EMA test on the week. 109. What is this? Hold on. Let's get this better. It's like 109, 110 is what you could potentially see. And then you got this once. Yeah, 109, 110. Like you are so far down. Look at this Tesla on the weekly. It's just death, bro. Today's your son's birthday. Diana, happy birthday to your son. Tell him STV says happy birthday. Wait, are you talking about me? Because technically you are like, that's the joke that you're my mom. 14 years old? Okay, never mind. It's not me. Never mind. Shots? Guys, it's 9:15 on a Tuesday. If you're thinking about doing shots right now, you need like therapy. It's not gambling if you know you're gonna win. Dude, you guys like that one? Yeah, that's the what do you call it? I like that TikTok, bro. That was a good one that I made. I think it's 4 more this week. Really good ones. 3 or 4 more really good ones. Rita's degenerate sister is ready for open. Rita already is a degenerate, dude. Let's see. Oh, Algo, we gotta, after I can crank all these videos out, I have a Rita iteration that we have to make, and it's nasty. So I'll call you at some point this week. Let's see. It's Vive somewhere else though. That's an excuse, man. You can't be saying these things. You can't be doing that. No. It's time to get back to work. All your competitors and everybody competing against you is not drinking on a Tuesday morning. You know what they're doing? Locked the fuck in. I would love it if everybody else in the market was just hammered or high or something or on crack, because then I would just come in and steal their money. Every single time that you take a trade in the market, you're going against something or somebody else. You're having a glass of wine with your lunch. Guys, why are we drinking so early? It's not booze time. We also have New Year's on Saturday. Fucking relax. Everybody chill out. It's called cocaine. Yep. Guys, it's New Year's on Saturday. Relax. The enemy doesn't drink at 9:15 on a Tuesday. Nope, they don't. Charge those batteries this weekend is going to be lit. Maybe after New Year's, I'll tell you guys what I did, because I don't want people just showing up and expecting me to but I have some wild New Year's plans. Sockbanger, thanks for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. I can't. It's already overbooked. You can tell us if he's getting old. He doesn't want to party. No, I do. It's just there's a time and a place. If it's champagne and orange juice, is that okay? No. Nope. You know what you should be drinking? Coffee, water, liquid IV. Not booze, dude. It's a Tuesday. Chill. My daughter just graduated from college, and your son is going to graduate from high school this year. Gio, congratulations, man. That's awesome. AAL puts 3,000 cancellations over the weekend. Are they down a lot? Because I was looking at those. They're down 1, but I don't know. They're only down 1 here. They were all over the news for all their cancellations. So maybe we can take a peek at the airlines, but I mean that could just mean that they were overbooked and making a bunch of money too. So it's like I'd say it's a balance there. A little balancing act with the airlines. Morning SB, what are you looking at this morning? Honestly, I want to wait and see where this market actually wants to go. You're seeing this pretty aggressive sell-off in the pre-market here. You're still above 382.50. So I'm probably going to wait until Invictus in 10. I believe we have some economic data coming up too. Oh, we already got it. At 9, we had home price index. Yeah, not a whole lot of data this week. So this week could be like last week, a little bit of a low volume week going into New Year. So just be careful. I'm going to wait, really pick my poison and just get those good risk reward trades and hit those base hits. Use the stop loss strategy, the risk management strategy, reversal strategy, just like we always do, buddy. Just like we always do. I know with meth cupcakes and I'm a weirdo. Yeah, you are. You can't put meth in things and then expect people to just be all right with it. That's not how things work over here. Let's see. All right, guys, keep smacking that like button on the way in. You guys are killing it, dude. Almost 150 likes, and the market hasn't even opened yet. Let's get after it, dude. After the pump on Friday, I was looking at market depth. We pumped Friday? I mean, sort of. This is choppy off the lows, but yeah. Let's see. What are we going to get, team? All right. Edge of your seat. Dude, it's going to be fun. All right, guys. I got to run to the bathroom for like 2 seconds, but I will be right back. So everybody, make sure you guys hit that like button on the way in. And this is going to give you guys enough time as well to hop in and secure your spot and make sure that you're taking advantage of your free trials with the 1348 platform. It is right there. Give me like 2 seconds. I will be right back. All right, guys. Sorry about that. So, where were we? Wash your hands. I did. I'm not doing blow in the bathroom daily, Taylor. That's not how these things work. All right, team. Keep running up those likes. I appreciate it. And make sure that you guys are securing your spots. Get your 2-week free trials, man. You have a put you held on over the weekend over Tesla might be all I need for the day. Probably will, man. I mean, you hit that, and I mean, Jesus, dude, Tesla's down $5. Jeez, man. Jeez, dude. Now, cash should have settled on Webull. It should have settled. Let me look. No, it's all settled. Everything's settled. Let's see. Oh, if you were trading shares, then it won't settle from Friday. Because that's T2. That's T plus 2. Oh, guys, we got 5 minutes until open over here. I hope you guys are excited. This is going to be a fun day. Yeah, Jessica, good call there. Rivian puts would have been real nice. Where's Rivian? R-I-V-N. Yeah, I mean, down 2. I mean, try not to look back at these things, guys, and be like, oh, well, what if I did that? No, you can't be doing that. Just make your money and get the fuck out. Santa rally or Santa sell off. Guys, the Santa stuff is over. Like, it's not after Christmas, it's done. There is no more Santa rally. Like, it's done. Santa brought the market coal and printed the puts. AMC puts are lovely. With that arbitrage, yeah. I mean, it makes sense. There is an arbitrage opportunity right now with AMC and APE. We talked about that the day that it came out. There is an arbitrage opportunity where they're going to converge. But what happens with arbitrage? Once it converts, uh-oh. Careful. You just had to tell adults there's no Santa? You're right. Sorry, guys. There is a Santa, though. What are you guys talking about? There is a Santa Claus. Like, what do you mean? Like, I know you guys are trying to make jokes about, like, does that mean we stack Ape and sell at the merge? No, you guys do whatever you want, but there was, I mean, now it's a little bit tighter, but there definitely was an arbitrage opportunity right as they announced it. See, they haven't even voted on it yet. That's the problem. Like that's the other issue here. Like, they haven't even released the vote, the date of the vote, things like that. So. Vito, don't be saying things like that in the live chat. All right, team. 12 likes away from 150. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Let's see here. You meme Santa, so he's got those Santa. Dude, Tabasco Dave, that meme of me with the elf thing with the stripper was so funny. I showed that to my mom and she was laughing really hard. She looked at me and just goes, Jack. And I was like, sorry, Mom. This is funny, though. I was like, look what Tabasco Dave made. She's like, hey. Oh, man. All right, 2 minutes till the ding ding. Here we go, everybody. Yeah, I showed my dad, too. My dad was laughing at that. All right, folks. Here we go. Here we go. This is going to be fun. I love it, man. Let's see what Invictus wants to give us, dude. It's going to be a great day. It's going to be a great day, man. Why can't I fucking open this, bro? Come on. Your mom doesn't call you STV? Sometimes she does. And I'm like, Mom, please don't do that. I'm like, Mom, let's not. But does Mom ever have you over for Thanksgiving? She would. All right, team. Less than a minute to go here. It's a great day to have a day. It is. Okay, we're just going to do this. This little string can go over here. I'm not allowed in the STV household. This is my household. My household's cool. I like it. Merry Christmas, Mom Vix. I'll let her know that you guys say Merry Christmas. Mom made a legend. Howie, appreciate that, buddy. We got to get her calling you Vix. No. Sometimes my friends do it, and I'm like, guys, we can't do this. Like, especially when, like people will say things and, like I'll be talking to some girl, and they'll be like, hey, Vix. And I'm like, I don't want to have to explain this right now. All right, ding, ding, ding. Market's open. Here we go. Ding, ding, ding. Tessie reaching. Nancy slipping. SPY looking for that 382.50. Look at this. Let's see. Wait, we're not your friends? No, you guys 100% are. I can't open this fucking thing. It's being really annoying. All right, guys, keep hitting that like button on the way in. Let's see what we're going to get here. I mean, I'm probably going to be waiting a while. See what I want to do. A lot of morning volatility, morning chop that I expect that we're going to see. Right now, we're trapped between 382.50 and the 200. Let's see what we want to do. Apple, look for that 130 slip. And then Tessie down below, it's 13. You could get that 200 EMA test on Tesla, which would be nasty. Don't be embarrassed by your stage name. Own it. Right. But the problem is that then I have to go through this long explanation as to what I do. And then the common response is, can you teach me stocks? And I'm like, no. Oh, hold on. SPY knife. There you go. Knifing down below 382.50 there. Hello. That was big candle here. That was a big boy move. Tell her she can have 14 days free. Dude, that's what I should do. Just be like, you want it? Free trial. 14 days. Get on the platform. Got to print out the affiliate link on a card. Yeah, that would be so funny. I could see how that would get annoying. Well, we went over this conversation on what, Friday, about how hard it is for me to explain what I do. Nobody understands what it is. Like, they just don't get it. Yes, finally got it open. Now I have a million strings of things everywhere. All right, sorry. All right, we're back. Let's see. If you get this closed down below 382.50, I would say you're looking at 380. Nice little 380 test there, but we'll see. I mean, SPY's now in the red. Apple, it's trying to hang on here. Let's see what happens with Tessie. Nancy not looking too good at these lower levels here. Let's see. Let's see, team. All right. SPY looking at, well, let's see if it cracks lows here. No, not yet. Not yet. 382.04 is the, 02. Okay. Let's see. Let's see here. It's getting bought up. I think we're in for a little bit of chop in the morning, and then we'll see where it wants to go after 10. That's just how I'm looking at this. I want to, like, it'd be really interesting to see if we get that, like, Tesla up to the 200 and reject super hard. Because when did it do this? Oh, yeah, Friday. Up to the 200, cracked. Oxy's tanking? Where's oil this morning? Hold on. Oil's up WTI's up 0.5%. Brent's up 0.32. Natural gas is up 1.6. Huh. Nvidia death. It's coming right down to a level of support here. Where is Oxy? Why is Oxy getting murdered? Oxy's still George. It's still up 0.5%. It's basically tracking oil right now. Tesla could probably touch 100 or even the 90s. Watch for 109, 110 first. That's the support level on the weekly. It's moving up there, though. I want to see that 200 EMA test. See what happens there. Where's the 200? 121.84. It's making highs here. Cool. Do you not have business cards? I don't know. I don't hand them out. No. People ask me what I do. I have a good explanation for what it is. Baba big candle. Interesting, because there was a lot of China stock news. I would not expect off the China stock news that this would be happening, but let's see. Baba getting a giant candle here. All right, team. Keep slapping that like button on the way in. I appreciate each and every one of you guys coming in here for the month. There goes Nancy slipping down below the level. You are about to get that first 5-minute candle close. So SPY is slipping to new lows here. Let's see. Oh, it's on FedEx. Let's see. Oh, whoa. No. This just looks horrendous here. It's barely trading. There goes Nancy. Here comes the SPY a little bit. Apple looking a little selly. Where's Tessie? Does Tessie still have a mind of its own? I rejected a little bit there. There goes SPY. Adios. Nancy slipping down 2.6. Let's see. It would be awesome if the market just did one of those wild knife days and then we could catch a reversal in the afternoon. So SPY is slipping now. Now you're watching 380. That's kind of what you're looking for here. Another $1.50 lower is what I would be looking at here. On the SPY, let's see if Apple can break 130. That would be really interesting if it did. Tessie slipping a little bit lower here, but it's really just coming back down to this 13. NVIDIA about to cross on the daily. Ooh, I don't hate that. Yeah, it is. Oh, that's... Dude, this thing is knifing. All right, Tessie lower, Apple lower. SPY looking at 381 here, hit 381.02. This is pretty aggressive, dude. This is an aggressive morning sell-off here. Hello. Hello, market. Everybody's waking up after Christmas and is like, shit, I spent too much. Time to go sell some stock. Let's see. Yeah, Baba is on the rise. That's interesting. 2.56% on the day. Tesla puts. Daniel, had a boy. Had a boy. It's the Santa rally. Hey, guys, this is nonsense. Christmas was Sunday. There's no more Santa rally. Get out of here. Risk off because they didn't get what they wanted. Now they have to buy it themselves. I guess, man. Apple new low there. 120 or 130.25. It's right at the low right now. Let's see if this thing wants to cascade. Let's see. So honestly, I'm not too big of a fan of a whole lot here. So we'll see. Santa wears red. He does. The 12 days of Christmas. Isn't that like before Christmas, leading into Christmas though? Isn't that how it's supposed to be? All right. Apple lower. SPY, here it comes. Watch the 380 test. That's teetering at 381 here. Just hit 15% on Rivian. Atta boy, Tyler. Atta boy. There you go. All right, let's see. Guys, keep hitting that like button on the way in. If you guys have not already, helps out a whole lot with the algorithms over here. You guys are murdering it today. Thank you. I appreciate that, team. And again, we're waiting around for Invictus here. So Invictus is going to be coming on around 10. Remember, guys, this is the new platform here. If you want to come check it out, get your 2-week free trial. That's linked at the top of the live chat. I mean, the amount of success that people have been having with platform and the strategies that we have given you guys is ridiculous. And it makes me really, really thrilled every single day to see you guys having all that success. Again, like we talked about last week, I'd love for one day to be like the end of Goodwill Hunting when I show up to a stream and just nobody's here. That's what we want for you guys. So again, if you do want to hop in there, 2-week free trial, it's linked at the top of the live chat. When do you close a free contract? Whenever you want. If it's free, you're good to go. Steven, if you look at what's happened in the past, hasn't really done much. Like we've seen crazy cost of borrows before, hasn't really done a whole lot. So try to keep your expectations in check. I've told you guys my thoughts the entire time. Right now, there's a little arbitrage opportunity with AMC and Ape. But what happens after the arbitrage is done? People haven't thought that far. Let's see. I salute you, sir. Roger. I appreciate that, buddy. Good to see you back in here. Oh, no. January 6th is the end on 3 Kings Day. Oh, that's pretty cool. I didn't know that. This Rivian from Friday is at 197%. Nice, dude. I mean, if it's free, you can technically do whatever you like. If you've already secured the bag on it, I mean, it's a free contract. It's free. You can do whatever you want. You can set a stop and profit and let it go. But there's a lot of different things that you can do with that. You made more money than I can count using 1348. Roger, I appreciate that, buddy. Thank you, dude. I know a lot of people are doing crazy. Another hard day of work in the books. Played super small before 10. Set your stop and profit and let it ride out. Out of SPY put at 20%. Pepe, you absolute monster. Must have been a tough day for you, buddy. After the arbitrage is done, 90% of the people will give all the gains back. I agree with that. People just don't understand how markets work, arbitrage and things like that. But again, I've tried to help people. If people don't want to listen, that's kind of on them. And again, I'm not trying to tell people what to do ever. I just want you guys to have the information out there and know the possibilities of things to come. That's been the whole entire theme of this channel. Let's see. I think this will be one of those 400% because I feel like Rivian is going to go for its current price. Well, it depends on when your expiration is and all that stuff. But again, do what you want to do with it. It's a free contract. You're trading with proper risk management. I can't really say much about that. So Tessie came down almost to these pre-market lows here and bounced. So if it slips those pre-market lows, that could get nasty. SPY's sitting at 381.40 here. How's this look on the 1 minute? Oh, it's trying. Goodwill Hunting is Hollywood. I'll still be here regardless. Thank you, Jackson. I appreciate that, buddy. Can you explain arbitrage? Yeah. So there's a lot of different arbitrages. There's like cross triangular arbitrage and forex. Like there's a lot of different types of arb. There's stat arb. There's a lot of different types of arbitrage that you can run. In this example, it's very simple. It's a convergence. So essentially what you're looking at is Ape at some point could be converted back into AMC shares. Now, if AMC shares are trading higher, then most likely Ape's going to go up. But the problem is people don't realize that it's not going to just merge and then go up past where it came out. That doesn't make sense. But what happens is that if you buy something that you know can get converted into something else, most likely at a higher price, it's arbitrage. It's very similar to like Twitter and what they did with their buyout. So remember the price was like what? It was 54.20 was the buyout price. But if it's trading at 45 and you buy shares at 45, well, you've got what, $9 and something, $9.20 of potential gain there when the buyout goes through. So in that case, it's a little bit different, but usually, and think about it like this, when Sam Bankman-Fried, this is the best example of this that I can give you guys, when he supposedly was running these like exchange arbitrages with FT or Alameda, what would he do? Let's say he bought it on Binance, just for example, bought it on Binance, Bitcoin. He bought Bitcoin on Binance, converted it over, moved it over to, let's say, Coinbase. Binance was quoting Bitcoin at one price. Coinbase is quoting it at a higher price. You switch it over to Coinbase. What happens next? He's not holding it. He's selling it to lock in the gain, the spread. That's all they're doing. So that's what I foresee happening, but we'll see. Nancy slipping down here a lot lower. That's interesting. Tessie slipping down below these pre-market lows here. Apple slipped 130. That's not good. If that holds down below 130, again, what were we looking at? The 52-week low, 128.65. But that's essentially arbitrage. I mean, there's a lot of different ones, but I mean, I could pull up the exact definition of an arbitrage, but that's the easiest practical way to view it. It's almost like market makers. They're playing the spread. They're just in the business of arbitrage. Thank you. You're welcome, Jehovah. All right. Let's see. We got about 15 minutes until Mr. Invictus is going to be coming on live, which will be sweet. I can't wait to see what Invictus gives us. I mean, it's probably not going to be much because things have already sold off so aggressively. But if we end up seeing this move back to the upside, that'll be fun. I'm just hunting for my setup, man. That's all I'm doing. Be patient, be disciplined, look for a good risk-reward opportunity, and strike. That's all it is. NVIDIA's at 7 on the 5-minute RSI. Is it really? Oh, we got news on this beast? That's not an NVIDIA headline. Yeah, it's at 8:30 here. Jesus, it's still going. ADX peaking up with this downtrend. That MACD is knifing. All right. It could just be one of those days, and I just wait to play the reversals in the afternoon. That could be what happens here. Invictus tells you how to trade options, right? Well, it doesn't tell you how to trade options. We have learning curriculum videos that are going to teach you how to use Invictus, Pythagoras, and Trader Joe. But a lot of people do trade options with Invictus. But yeah, pretty much. I mean, Invictus is a predictive algorithm that alerts you on the 5-minute time frame and is able to predict 1348 crosses before they happen. One of those days, right? Could be one of those days, man. SPY slipping lower. You're looking at that 380 test now. So you hit 380.14. That was kind of the level that we were looking at below 382.50. Let's see what happens. So we're watching that 380 level. I mean, I do have a 379.37. So level over here. So that's from a longer time frame. But really, I'm watching the psychological level of 380. You're coming off a 37% green week. I'm stoked, but I am in need of some advice regarding keeping the green streak alive. What do you think? Parsa, I would say don't change anything that you're doing right now. If you want to protect the gains and you don't want to be trading with as much size, you can always size down. I mean, we've talked about this a lot, man. Be very, very picky with your trades. Try not to. A lot of people do this. And this is the one thing that I want you guys to understand too. It's like if you're having a lot of success, what most people then tend to do is take on more risk and change what they're doing. What did we say this morning about consistency in your approach to trading? How do you expect to have consistent results if you just change your approach every single time? You have to be consistent in what you're looking at. So Parsa, I would say don't change anything. Continue looking at what you've been looking at, trading the way that you have been. If you want to take on less risk, take on less risk. But again, it's going to come up down to what you want to do at the end of the day. I can't teach you discipline. Like I can't come in here and be like disciplined. I can maybe give you some like exercises and things like that to help you. But again, discipline is going to be the most important part of trading. Boom, 1.52% for the morning. Might hunt for a reversal later. Yeah, honestly, man, I'm just waiting to see my setup and what I want to see. It's still early. It's 9:47 in the morning. You've seen the move down. If you wanted to chase it down, you made some money. Make sure you're using the stop loss strategy and the risk management strategy that I have given you guys. That is not going to lead you astray. Be pickier on a winning streak. Yeah, I mean, when I had my long streak, I was so picky. And then, I mean, I got myself into a pickle sometimes, and then I did some dumb shit to get it back. But it ended up good. Learning the strategy was easy. Dealing with myself was the hard part. Exactly, man. That's the thing. It's like you can learn the strategy in like 2 weeks. It's not the strategy that, it's you. If you're not having success, it's you. Everybody knows the strategy. And again, if you look at, what do you call it? Trader Joe over here. What's Trader Joe up? 17%. He's probably going to be up more if he's short fucking everything. So if Trader Joe trading on the daily time frame or Pythagoras and all those other algorithms that we have in Rita are all beating the market, they're an emotionless algorithm. They're trading with the highest level of discipline because they can't vary away from their rules. So it's all discipline and emotional management when you're in these trades. Tesla's looking for new lows over here. SPY, same deal. Made 22% of your son's account. Thanks, 1348. Done for the day. Dude, is there a certain amount of volume that you prefer? I know you said FedEx was barely moving. Want to make sure I got good picks. FedEx does move a lot. The problem is with FedEx here. Look at this. It's 121,000 in volume. And I'm just looking at the wicks here. Like these wicks look horrendous. Like they don't look like there's a lot of trading and liquidity going on with this. Like these wicks are crazy. It's just flashing around. It's not like a certain amount of volume. This is almost just like a feel thing here. Like it's almost like looking at this in the pre-market where it's just like bing, 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 bing. No, like this is just nonsense here. And the spreads are probably going to be shitty. Like if there's barely any volume on the actual underlying stock, think of what it's going to be like on the option chain. Spreads are wide. You're going to get caught. Like it's just a little bit more risk that you're taking on there that you don't necessarily need to. 3% on the portfolio on SPY puts. Nice, guys. There you go. You're up 62% on SPY puts. Guys, I mean, every single day, you guys, the 1348 game wins again. Like, again, I know I shouldn't say it that way that everybody, but in general, the gains that I'm seeing you guys make in the actual trades that I'm seeing you take are just filthy, man. You're managing your risk appropriately. I love seeing that, man. So congratulations to all of you guys that have taken the chance and really come in there with that 2-week free trial. And especially for those of you guys that have been with us for a while, special shout out to you guys. But again, for anybody new that wants to hop in there and really take your trading to the next level, there's that link right there. 2-week free trial, 2.38% of the portfolio from Apple puts. There you go, man. SPY was a chase. Yeah, I mean, you can play it off the 13 and look at VWAP here. It was a little bit of a chase. But if you're trading with proper risk management, I mean, you're fine. If your risk was like closing candle down below 382.50 and you're risking 50 cents here, that's fine. Guidance is better than advice. Exactly, man. That's why you're never going to see us come out here and be like, I'm taking this strike right now. One, it's fucking illegal. You can't do that. So anybody that's doing that, you guys should be like, hey, bro, you can't do that. And that's why people struggle. They always like to be like, I want, like they try to make it seem like only they can do what they do. Newsflash, it's not that difficult. And you guys printing every single day with our strategy is just a testament to that every day. $2% on the port. Thank you, 1348. Andrew Anthony. Fuck yeah, buddy. There you go. You didn't get it until it confirmed under the 200. Nice. 130% yay Tesla puts. Jesus, guys. Printing. Yeah. I'm not taking anything yet. I'm waiting. I'm going to be patient today. I would love it to do. What day was it? This day? Was it Thursday? Yeah, I think it was Thursday. Yeah. Yeah, Thursday with this retest. This one where it just when we went over this reversal play here at the end of the day, this is what I want. I want to catch everybody slipping. 380.04. That's the 380 test here. It is really close to that 380 break. Yeah, Thursday was sweet. Invictus, yeah, when Invictus was 96% coming to the upside, that's kind of what I'm looking for today. So I don't know when it's going to happen. It could happen early. It could happen later. I don't know. But I'm going to look and get a nice risk reward setup if I want to take a solid trade. Again, I'm going to approach the market the same exact time every single day. Me too. I'm up 37% from last week on a winning streak, so I'll be patient. See money. That's awesome. 10% on the portfolio from SPY puts. Guys, you are murdering it here. I love it. I love it, dude. Dude, we're almost at 200 likes on the stream today as well. We haven't done that in a while. Thank you, guys. I appreciate that. All right, SPY starting to move back up here off of that test of 380. Let's see. Let's see. Anything crazy going on Twitter? I don't think so. Let's see. No, I don't think so. Up 2.5% on the portfolio. Stock banger. Monster, bro. Atta boy. You're getting better at not taking anything after you've made money. Tyler, that's a really good skill to have, bud. Once you make your money, again, look at this. So we go over this all the time, the compounding calculator. So this is literally, if you start at $1,000, your goal is 1% a day. Your financial freedom number is $1 million. It's going to take you 695 trading days if you hit 1% every single day for those trading days. Is that realistic? Probably not. But when you try to keep your goals in check, is it like a very difficult thing? If you're trading with 10% allocation and making 10% on an options trade, no, it's not that difficult. So looking at this earnings calendar here, and you guys can download this. You see this button right here. You download the Excel spreadsheet, and you can have your goal every single day of what you need to make. And it's compounding. It gives you a nice little go, and it keeps you in line. It doesn't cause you to try and go for these willy-nilly wild fucking plays. So if you guys want to mess around with this is on platform. You guys can do this after you sign up for your free trial and just download that Excel spreadsheet. And then you have a goal every single day of what you want to make. The reversal strategy was basically wait for a stock to top out after ripping and look for the RSI cross, right? Skylar, I would try and not boil down my reversal strategy into a couple sentences, just because there's a lot of nuances to it. So I would really, really watch that video and like take notes on it. That and the risk management one it's just nasty. And again, I'm always going to use the stop loss strategy as well. SPY 25% put, boom, took profit. Atta boy, Michael. Atta boy. Dude, you guys are slaughtering it today. I love to see you guys win. Watch it 10 times. You just keep like you got it. Like those videos, those 3 that I put out for you guys, it's the holy trinity. And they're all in the latest content section of the Discord there. They're public on my channel, but they're all listed one by one in that channel, so it makes it easier to find. What news are we getting this week? Anything market movement? Yeah, we're gonna have the jobs report, PMI, I believe. Yet Chicago PMI, pending home sales index tomorrow at 10. That can be interesting. It's still not even 10 yet, guys. So it's 9:55. Let's see what we're gonna get here. Nancy, no, Nancy's gonna be a little bit fucked up too if you try to catch the reversal here. Gotcha. I'll go back and watch it again. Yeah, it's just you can't, like, again, I like to say things are very, very simple. Just try not to oversimplify it, because then that might lead you into just missing some of the nuances of the strategy. But yeah. Made 8% on an Apple put. Thank you so much, STV. 1348 for the win. Rose, that's awesome. That is awesome. Yeah, so things are basing a little bit down here. You haven't quite seen the SPY crack below that 380. You bounced off 380.04, which was kind of what we were looking at there after that pretty aggressive sell-off. It's down 0.5% right here. You got Apple still slipping a little bit here, 129.30. It's very possible. Apple's it's less than $1 off of 52-week lows. Remember, Apple was kind of the last line of defense there for the market. If Apple starts knifing down below 128, what is it, 65? Uh-oh. That's an uh-oh there. So let's see. All right. What else we got? That actually doesn't look bad. Hold on, I was looking at something I pulled up quick there. SPY moving up a little bit here. Let's see if it gets a VWAP test. Where's the 381.95? Okay, about $1. The market has lost Santa's rally. There was no Santa rally, bro. There was no reason for a Santa rally. After the comments from Powell, no. Apple at lows here. Just made a new low. Can you explain what you see when you said it's kind of effed up on the NVIDIA reversal? Yes. Here's what I'm looking at. In order for the RSI to get above its moving average, in order for this MACD to start moving into the green here, you need NVIDIA to come up a lot higher. So, okay, what happens when NVIDIA moves a lot higher? You're way far away from these day lows. So what I would like to see, honestly, is for it to run up, sell off a little bit, chop around a little, test the day low again, not break it, and then start to see this MACD catch up in RSI. Because if you take it here, there's a, like, what is it at? 146.01? What's the low? 144.67. That's not a lot. On like something like NVIDIA, I want like 75 cents of risk or less. Is that an exact number? No. It's just what I personally like. I don't want there to be just an overwhelming amount of space between where I want to enter and then the level that I know the trade is wrong. If I wanted to take the trade like that, and it actually was showing signs up in here of the reversal happening, which it's not right now, I would get a lot more time on the contract. So that if it came down and broke those lows, I'm still not going to be down that much. 75 cents, not 0.075. It's not, again, that's not a exact number. It's just like eyeballing it. It's not like on SPY, like 50 cents to $1 of risk is fine for me. It depends on the stock. I usually want to keep the risk less than $1. Even if it's on like a Netflix or something like that, I want the risk to be pretty tight. Because I'm playing it off of like delta. In my mind, I'm thinking of the delta on the contracts. I don't want the stock moving $1 in the other direction. Nice explanation. Thanks, Vapor Rub. I appreciate that, buddy. All right, team. Dude, we're 7 likes away from 200. Holy shit, guys. Thank you. That's nuts. Shout out to all the people coming back in the live chat here. I love you guys. Let's get after it, man. It's 10. Invictus is going to start firing off here too. I mean, you may not get anything on Invictus for a while just because everything is already sold off pretty aggressively. But let's see. 129.08 support on Apple from when? How far away is that? 209. Dude, you guys are going wild on it today. Thank you. I don't get what are you actually playing that makes it 50 cents risk? Day high or day low, Ryan? It's the day high or the day low is what I like for the reversals. If it's too far away, I have to pick something else. like a 13 or a 48 or something like that. But Ryan, go watch the reversal video and the risk management strategy one. Those two videos are going to explain everything. Like, I'm always going to refer you guys back to those videos. I'm honestly very proud of those videos. I love them, and I think a lot of people are going to find a shitload of value in them. So they're all in the latest content section of the Discord community that we have. But maybe we could throw them on platform too. It took like 3 or 4 hours before Invictus loaded the other day. Yeah, and that's when Invictus went like 98%. You could have picked any Invictus trade and it went nuts. So we'll see if we get another day like that. I think it's possible, but we'll see. I mean, Spy's teetering here. Those videos are the bomb. Super Dad Dusty, I appreciate that, man. Dude, you guys are going nuts today. Honestly, it's good to have all you guys back in here. I love seeing you guys. They are awesome. Phoenix, thank you, man. I appreciate that. I'm just waiting for my setup, man. I mean, if I don't see anything that I like, I don't want to really chase these moves to the downside here. If it wants to continue selling, cool, whatever. What was the level to watch on Apple? Below 129 is the 52-week low of 128.65. That's what I'm looking at there. And that's kind of what we were looking at in the pre-market. So Apple looks like it wants to break 129 here. Let's see if it gets it. SPY. 129.02 is the low. Discipline, guys. Stay disciplined. You're waiting? Smart man. I mean, again, I know a lot of you guys played this down move. I didn't, but I mean, you guys made some money on it. If you made some decent money on it, I mean, look at Apple 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 minutes of just straight red. Well, more, but that's a lot, dude. You're putting your life savings in Kroger food. Hey, Will, I'm going to tell you something right now. If you put your life savings in anything, personally, to me, you're dumbass. You could put your life savings in a fucking U.S. 10-year treasury, and I'd still say that's stupid. But again, it's up to you. SPY slipped 380 there. There it goes. Oh, here comes Apple. Again, it's just like you never know what's going to happen, dude. Putting all your eggs in one basket is never a good idea. Another 1% on the port. Now I'm going to jump in the shower or something. Nice. Yep. Bye-bye 380. Here comes 379.37. Let's see. You're really looking at this, though. 378.12. So we can highlight this level here. 378. Bing, 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 bing. Here's what we're going to do, actually. I'm going to actually take this one off, I think. I don't know why this is there. It should be 380. South Park. And it's gone. Yeah, guys, please, please, please. That's the whole thing that we've been talking about with risk management. You full port YOLO anything, doesn't matter what it is. I'm always going to say that's a dumb decision. It literally doesn't matter what it is. It could be a 0-day SPX, or it could be literally a 30-year government bond. And I'm going to say you're being a dumb. But again, to each his own. You guys can do whatever you want at the end of the day. Fuck, I just spilled my coffee. Shit. Forgot there was so much water in there. That's a problem. Baba coming down. Ooh, is it rejecting? Oh, fuck. All right. So here's the deal on Baba. Baba is a wild person. It's not doing it yet, but it doesn't look bad. 2 trades on the SPY, 8.6% on the portfolio. Dude, Phoenix. That's, dude. Guys, you are doing yourself a very, very significant disservice if you're not at least coming in and taking advantage of the 2-week free trial. It's completely free for 2 weeks. Come to the live streams, watch the learning videos, use all of the amazing tools that we provide for you guys, and just see if you like it. If you don't, perfectly fine. It's going to cost you nothing, and you can hop out right after. But again, that 2-week free trial is in the top of the live chat, but I'll throw that in here for you guys as well. Again, that Baba trade, not yet. It's not, I mean, it's too early, but this is kind of screaming at me to keep an eye on. So the spreads on Baba suck, though. That's another thing you have to be aware of. The stop loss strategy on something like Baba is going to be a little bit fucked up. So you almost have to play to make it free or something like that. But again, if you're going to take Baba, like if I take Baba, I'm going to size it down just because I've been screwed over on the spreads on it a few times. Just like Netflix last week and Tesla and Nvidia. Like I was setting the stops too close and they would get hit and then it would continue to go. Baba's different because the spreads are wide. So if you, let's say you set a stop in profit at $1, you almost have to, it looks like it's going to wait for the ask to hit $1 and then fill you down below. So you're kind of screwing yourself over with the spread. So be careful of those. Sub SUV, like Smash, been pulling 1% or better on both accounts lately. Done for the day. Luigi, you monster, bro. Congratulations. Only playing Spy and SPX. Nice. Nice, dude. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, you guys see the amount of success that people are having in our live chat, man. It's ridiculous. Like it's honestly ridiculous. It's hard. Like I can't come in here and say that like it's difficult because I can't come in here and be like, this is what you should expect. But then people just do it every single day and just murder the market. It's nuts. So, and again, guys, for those of you guys still filtering in, if you wouldn't mind hitting that like button on the stream, you guys are absolutely just murdering it today. I appreciate each and every one of you guys in here. All right. So Invictus is live. Let's see if we have anything. I don't think we're going to. No, nothing yet. Nothing yet. Done for the day. Played Tesla 4 times. 1 upside, 3 downside, 4% gain on the small account. Fuck yeah, Eddie. Fuck yeah, dude. 1348 is the truth. I went from 2 jobs working 80 hours a week to now being able to spend time with my family and being done by 12. 1348 is life-changing. Algo, fuck yeah, buddy. That's what we want. That is amazing, dude. Congratulations. Let's see. Ooh, actually, let's do this as well. Hold on. Make sure that you guys are following me on Instagram as well. I'll follow all you guys back right now. Those of you guys that are not following me right there, we're going to post a lot of short form videos coming on there over the next week or so. We started last week. For those of you guys that aren't following me over there, make sure that you guys do. I'll follow all of you guys back right at some of you guys. I got to keep my following number at 1340. Oh, I got 2 of you guys. So I can get 2 of you. So I'm trying to keep my following number at 1348 just for fun. You need to teach me golf one of these days. I can definitely do that. It's just going to be hard because it's a tough thing to learn. Me and Scratch Golf will take care of you. I'll go. You're going to keep pole dancing though? Okay. Well, do what you got to do. Oh, what's up, Instagram people? How you guys doing? Yeah. And then if you want to follow me on TikTok too, it's the same it's the same handle. Going to Florida to golf next month. Want to go? Honestly, okay. So here's what I have to do. I want to go visit Gabe at some point. I want to go back see my dad, and then I'm spread super thin because my buddies the weekend after New Year's want me to go to Florida. I want to go see Gabe. I want to go see my dad, and now I want to go play golf with DM Ohio. So I got to try to make it all work within a week, and then also still work. This community is so cool. We went from chasing squeeze plays to learn how to actually trade. Yeah, Dakota. I mean, it's unfortunate the way that I just disagree with everything that was done with Ape. Up until then, I thought it still had a lot of potential. If they can wipe the deck clean somehow, some way, I think it still could have a nice probability to go up. But again, right now, I think they've really stolen from retail, and that doesn't sit well with me. When you go down again, I'll probably also. Okay, perfect. Yeah, I got to figure it out because I got a lot of people that want me to go visit. Plus, I really like this play. Well, DM Ohio is a must. Dude, I know. DM, what part of Florida are you going to be in? That's the real question. What part of Florida? All right. Learning to make money in the meantime is invaluable. Yeah, true, Dakota. True. Let's see. Oh, you're still in Orlando, Algo? Jesus. You've been there a while, buddy. I gotta check something here. Hold on. Oh, let me get you Instagram people back over here too. There you go. Yeah, make sure that you guys are ready. I think you can turn like notifications on for Reels as well. So if you guys want to do that, make sure that you guys do. I'm gonna be posting a really cool one later on today. So that'll be fun. Yeah, I don't hate it. I want to see what happens here. Oh, you fucker. Huh. You're heading home now? Good luck, Algo. Traveling is a wild. Traveling's a lot. Let's see. Netflix reversing? Yeah, we'll see. I'm looking at Baba here. This I'd like. This I like a lot, but we'll see. I don't know. I need to get this is gonna need some time. Baba's gonna need some time. So we'll see. Is there a way for platform to alert when your phone screen is off? We have notifications coming for you guys very, very, very soon. So get ready for that. That's coming. All right, team. Keep hitting that like button on the way in. I love to see it, dude. Traveling is wild with Southwest. Yeah, dude. Traveling's been nuts. Push notifications would be big. Those are coming. Push notifications are coming. We're just working on it. Looking like some consolidation happening. We'll sit and lurk for a reversal or a rim down. Yeah, the only thing that I'm a little bit worried about here on Baba is that if the SPY reverses to the upside, Baba might get that juice up. But we'll see. That's why I'm waiting on it. You need an app first? Not yet. We are going to build an app though. That too. And again, guys, the other things that we have cooking in the background with platform are fucking huge. Like the like platform's not it. It's not like we just like, oh, platform, we're done. No. The reason why we made this platform is so that we can build some really crazy things into it. So don't let me again. I think that I have some pretty spicy ideas a lot of the time. If we can execute on some of these, oh, it's nasty. So, and again, once those new features are going to come out, the price will most likely be higher. Started trading with 1348 for the first time. Looks very promising. Shawley. Yeah, it is. I mean, that's why a lot of our members have so much success all the time. It's simple. You learn the strategy. You watch those curriculum videos. And you start printing. Once you add Invictus, Pythagoras, Trader Joe, and the reversal strategy, the stop loss strategy, and everything that we're teaching you guys into it, oh, it becomes an absolute monster. Made 50% on VIX calls in 20 minutes. Nice. Nice, dude. Yeah, Bob is coming up hunting that day high. Let's see. SPY starting to look good. Watch the rim of the 13 here. So if you're looking at this on the SPY, oh, it's so far, bro. That's so far. You'd almost have to risk this. Or like mounting the 13 and risking that. We got anything on Invictus yet? No, not yet. Not yet. Your mother-in-law was supposed to fly Southwest Sunday. Flight was canceled. She was supposed to fly this morning at 5 a.m. Flight was canceled. She's registered. Oh my God, Daniel. I would just switch and go to another airline and be like, get me home. The flight that I was on yesterday wasn't full. Like there were not the flight was not full yesterday that I was on. So other airlines are I mean, I like JetBlue. JetBlue is probably my favorite airline. Up 2% on the port today and counting. Jesus, guys. I love seeing you guys win. Congratulations, man. Special shout out to all of you guys who have really like not listened to all the nonsense, fake bullshit that people have been saying about us over the last year. I mean, the results speak for themselves. We print. What airline do you fly? JetBlue. I love JetBlue. I flew American on the way down. Never again. I hate American. Southwest is the best. I disagree. I like the movies that JetBlue has. I like the screens. I like the leg room because I'm tall. But at the same time, remember, like I was saying, I need to stop sucking at life so much and just be able to fly private so I don't have to deal with delays. Alaskan Airlines? Yeah, I've never flown them. Let's see. Dude, we're 20 likes away from 250. That's nuts, bro. Thank you. I appreciate that. You are tall. I'm 6'2". Dude, I love the emergency exit row. That's my favorite row to sit in. You thought I was like 5'6"? No, dude, I'm like 6'2". Go look on my Instagram. You guys can see if you scroll all the way back down, there's a picture of like me, Gabe, smaller people. I look 5'5". No, dude, I'm 6'2". How did you guys not know this? We talk about this all the time. You guys can see it on my Instagram how tall I am. It's there. You like the emergency exit row too? Trust me, if there's an emergency, follow me. Yeah, I'm pretty good at emergencies. I've been in a few of them. Not on a plane, but like. You don't look short? Well, thanks, I guess. Did I say smaller people? Oh, whoops. I mean, technically, that would be politically correct. So Spy's rimming this third. Is it gonna peak? Is it gonna peek its head over this 13 here? Ooh, what? Yeah, it's getting there. It's the green screen that makes him look short. Oh yeah. 6'2" vertically or horizontally. You call me fat, bro? Oh, dude, this consolidation on Baba, I'm a fan of, but we'll see. Oh, let's see if I'm TikTok famous now. If you guys went over there and ran it up. Oh, you did. What's up, team? Yeah, I threw a video yesterday out there on TikTok. It wasn't one of my favorite ones, but you guys really liked it. So there goes Spy peeking. There it is. Back to 382.50. Here we go. Nancy running up here a little bit. Hello. Dang. That's kind of annoying. I wanted the market to knife, and then I get my reversal in the afternoon. Yeah, they caught that quick. That's some aggressive movement on these candles here. Look at this. RSI back to 50. MACD still hasn't crossed up, though. Let's see. Miles, hop on a one-on-one, man. Make sure you call in and take advantage of all the resources that we're providing you. Most of the time, it's always going to be due to either you not getting enough time on your contracts and trading without a high level of discipline. That's usually the fix. So focus more so on how you react in your trade. I mean, that's usually what it is. But again, make sure you're calling in. When we have those call-in sessions, make sure you're calling in and asking for help. We can't help you if you don't ask. Caught that run up on the SPY to secure 14% on a paper trade. Nice. Paper trade account up 1.5. Nice, bro. Yeah, SPY peeking a little here. You're playing a call to the 200? Nice. Oh, it's not that aggressive. I mean, watch 380-250. SPY cross on what? The daily? I mean, it's not crossing on the 5. Let's see. What the? Disconnecting my keyboard for some reason here? SPY above 380-250 now. So again, right as we were talking about in the pre-market, you did get that slip of what was it? 380 here, but it got bought right back up. Now SPY's come screaming up to the 200 there. 80% on TQQQ puts from Friday. Thank you, SCB, for teaching me to fish. No problem, man. You guys trade the 1 minute on the SPY, freaking animals. I don't. Oh, the 1 minute? Oh my lord. Okay. Fuck it. All right, dude. Up 4% on the port now with the stop loss in place. So guaranteed your system rocks. Sean, appreciate it, buddy. That's what it's there for, man. That's what all those learning videos are there for. You got to put the time in. When we say things and we try to give you guys the strategy, it's for a reason. There's a very specific reason we say everything we do. Let's see. Gabe, thanks for the super, buddy. Called that SPY reversal on Twitter. Do not second guess the power of what we teach. Trade1348.com for the lady boys in the back. Guys, you're doing yourself a very, very significant disservice if you're not committed. It's a free trial. Free. 2 weeks. Free. There it is. It's also at the top of the live chat if you miss it. Gabe, thank you for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Shout out to Ben. Friends is up 5% today. DM Ohio. That is awesome. Gabe, you know what I'm hunting here? You know what I'm hunting here? You see this? You see this? You see this? This is what I'm hunting. We'll see, though. It's not time. Maybe later. Let's see. Like, the news on the China stocks wasn't good. Baba flag? Fuck the flag, bro. Fuck the flag is what I have to say about that. Sorry. I don't care. Well, yeah, I don't care. I'm watching my indicators and my levels. That's all I'm doing. Could it pop from here? Yeah, it could. Still hunting the reversal later, though. I'm hunting for it. So I don't know. We'll see if it happens. I'm probably gonna get a lot of time on it too. Just for safety. Dude, you guys are ripping the like button today. Oh my lord. So we're going to be closing off in a little bit here, but then Gabe's going to come on for a while at around what, 10:30, 10:45. Then we're both going to be on at 12:30, and then I'm going to be back at 1:30 for you guys. So we have a whole slate of streams set up for today. Get ready, team. We're going to have some fun. Gabe, thanks for the super. Flag these nuts in the breeze on the 18th floor patio. Thank you for the supers, man. What's not to like? I know, man. Oh, man. Gabe, thank you for those supers. Yeah, I don't give a shit about their flag. I'll short all the flags. Fuck them. Again, there's not a high enough probability of them playing out for me to put my money at risk there. I'm going to continue to play my reversal strategy. You know, most of the time, my reversal strategy to the downside is when they're in a bull flag. You know how many times it works? A lot. Do you think that how Tesla has sold off so aggressively will come back up in the same way? I could. Where's Tessie? I mean, Baba right now is not telling me what I need to see. It's not there yet. SPY still hunting that 200 here. Apple doesn't look horrendous. Let's see. Where's Baba? If it pops, you have upside to 91.15. That's where I would see it reject. 91.15. I couldn't resist. Sorry, guys. That's okay. It's just I don't care about the flag. 0 fucks given. If it breaks up from here, cool. I'll just wait for the reversal later. Is there enough meat on this bone here to the upside after the stock is up 5.72%? Not in my opinion, no. Thoughts on NVIDIA? So remember we were talking about on NVIDIA, the reversal, how it was starting to look good? The problem is that the distance between where price was and the day low was just too wide. So in that case, I would have gotten a lot more time on it. If it can close, get a closing candle above this 13, you can risk the 13 or VWAP coming back to the upside to 148.89 or 149. That's kind of what I would look at there. I don't know if it's going to do it though. Do you guys have ethical issues with companies that can't go long, Baba? Nope. I don't care. I don't care. If there's money to be made, I'm going to go and make it. Yeah, nothing on Invictus yet, but if Invictus starts firing off, that'll be sexy. SPY's just rejecting this 200 here. What's next? OR tags? No, we're not doing any fucking OR tags. Up 18% on gold on a 5-minute cross. Top of Compton. Attaboy. Attaboy. Let's see. What's up, Instagram people? Ooh, following all you guys back. There you go. Good morning, SCV. What's up, Ryan? How you doing, Bob? Getting more time on it. Usually the candidate expires a week or more out. Yeah, more time. Always more time. Like if I was saying like more time, it's either next week or the week after is probably what I'd go for on that NVIDIA play, but I'm not touching it now. SPY rejecting the 200, moving back down. Let's see. Chilling right around 382.50. This could be the new magnet level for a bit. Got it. Thanks. No problem. It just lessens the volatility. And if you actually come down to that level, you're not going to be down as much. Apple doesn't look that shitty, but Apple's in a, see, it came down, basically tested 52-week lows and then just bounced. It was 7 cents off and then just bounced from there. That's what you're seeing out of the market here. SPY rejecting the 200. Baba slipping a little here. See, I don't give a shit about your flag, like the flag. I don't care. All right, guys. Oh, it is 10:28. You know what that means, everybody? We are going to be wrapping up the live stream for this morning. Remember, make sure that you guys are securing your free platform trials while you still can. Remember, you get Invictus, Pythagoras, Trader Joe, all the learning videos, unusual options activity, the latest news on every single stock. What else? Live streams. Everything, guys. And we have some crazy stuff coming for you guys in the future. Now, when that does happen, the price is most likely going to go up. Right now, you get the 2-week free trial and you get to come in at 69. So if you guys do want to take advantage of that, you guys have seen the success that people are having in the live chats every single day on social media, everywhere. So again, make sure that you guys are taking advantage of that. Gabe is about to be going live in a few minutes as well. So make sure that you guys head over there, show Gabe some love as well. But again, guys, that's going to wrap it up for me. If you guys wouldn't mind hitting that like button on the way out, make sure that you guys are ready for some short form content later on TikTok and Instagram. Other than that, everybody, I'll see you in a little bit. Peace.